Hi all and welcome back to Next Stage Designs with me Sylvia. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet this very simple and beautiful bracelet. So for today's bracelet I'll be using this 100% cotton yarn and it's a 4 ply, but I'll be using this blue one. Also you will need 3.5 mm hook, a pair of scissors, a ring. You can use plastic or the wooden. I'll be using these curtain rings because I just have some leftovers. And also you will need a yarn needle and a thread. And you can also add these silver charms if you like. If not, it's fine. This part is optional. I found them on eBay. They are super cheap. So it's up to you. Let's get started. Hold your yarn and like so, wrap it around your two fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook and release like so. And this is your slip knot. Now take your ring and hold it like so. And you can also wrap this yarn end around so it's secure as you work, and try to get your slip knot as close as possible to your ring. Now insert your hook inside the ring, yarn over and bring it up like this so you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Now try to make it a little bit tighter so that stitch is close to your ring. Again, insert your hook inside the ring, yarn over, bring up the loop, yarn over and pull through. And again, try to make the stitches as tight as possible and as close as possible to your ring so it looks really nice and neat. So you will continue all the way around until you come to your very first stitch right here. Okay, so I have few stitches, and before you close your ring, I wanted to tell you, do not squeeze your stitches like this because it's not going to look very nice. Just spread them nicely and make sure you have no gaps between the stitches. So just the right amount of stitches all the way around your ring. So I'm going to finish the ring and I have few stitches left here. And as you can see, it should be nice and smooth. No stitches on top of each other. Just spread it nicely like so. Now I'm going to slip stitch into this second stitch, not the first one but the second one, this one right here. So insert your hook into the stitch like so. Yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop you had on your hook. Now chain one and do not fasten off. And we are going to create the chains, one on each side of our bracelet. So now you are going to chain as many as you need for your chain, because maybe you want your chain to be long or short, it's up to you. Just make sure when you put it on, it will go around your wrist comfortably and you still have a little bit left so you can tie your bracelet comfortably. So I have no idea how many I changed, so I'm just going to place the bracelet like so, and you can see it goes well around my wrist, but I still need a little bit more so I can tie my bracelet comfortably around my wrist. So you do the same and chain as many as you need. And as you chain, you can still check if you got enough. So simply just place it like so and have a look and double check before you fasten off. So as you can see, I think this is just perfect for me. So in centimeters, I have about 5" or 12.5 centimeters long chain. And now I'm ready to fasten off like so. And now we are going to create a chain on the other side of our bracelet and make sure it's the same length. So 5" for me or 12.5 centimeters. So simply just create a slip knot and take it off your hook and place it on the opposite side. So it should be right in the middle. Insert your hook. It may be a little bit tricky. Place the knot on your hook and bring it through and chain. And you're gonna chain as many as you need for the length you had on the other side. So for me, it was 12.5 centimeters or 5". So we will simply do exactly the same on this side. So once you have the same length, you are ready to fasten off like this. And you have both sides completed. Now we are going to hide this end inside our bracelet with the yarn needle. And cut it off once it's hidden inside your bracelet. And this is it. And now this part is optional. You can add your charms or you don't have to. You can also twist your chain all the way around and play with the design a little bit. You can do it or you don't have to. I think it gives you a really nice effect if you turn it like this. So I just wanted to show you, if you turn it, it gives you a little bit different style to it. So if you prefer it this way, you can do it first and then add the charm. So Make sure you have your matching color of your thread. And now we can sew it on. Create a knot and sew it your way. This is just my way how to sew it, and you do the best you can. So simply just start somewhere in the middle, and I'm going to place it from the inside of my bracelet, and not to worry about the end, we are going to cut it off. Now take your charm and place it on like so, and simply do 2-3 stitches on your chain and your charm so it's nice and secured. So once you are finished, simply just hide the inside like so, the knot, and cut it off, and it should be nicely in the middle. If it's not to worry, just spread your stitches and move them a little bit like this, and this is it. This is the sewing done. Now for these ends, you can place the beads on each end. It's up to you. Or you can just simply make it shorter because we already have a small knot there. So just make it shorter and then create a knot on each end. Like this. So I like to keep it simple, but I'm sure the beads will look beautiful as well on each end. And this is it. This is our beautiful bracelet. You can wear it this way or the other way. It's up to you. So I prefer to wear it like so. And then simply just tie your bracelet. And of course, you can twist it the way you like, or you can just simply leave it. It's up to you. So simply just play with your bracelet and your designs. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with me. Don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs with me, Sylvia. Thank you very much for watching.